Aloha, everyone. Stephanie Dutcher here, bringing you everything that's happening on Maui. So, you know that awkward moment where you tap on the microphone and you say, "Is this thing working?" Pretty much sums up what's happening out here on Maui. Buyer activity right now is just mere crickets. Over the last month, I have talked to numerous agents, and all of them are saying the same things. It's not just my listings, but buyers everywhere are just sitting on the sidelines when it comes to Maui real estate. It seems like there's a lot of real estate FOMO that's happening, a lot of looking around, that kind of herd mentality of people looking and saying, well, those people aren't buying and those people aren't buying. And do they know something I don't know? Maybe I shouldn't be buying right now. And so that hesitation fuels more hesitation, which continues to prolong this cycle that we're in. What's also happening right now is that sellers are remaining relatively flat on their pricing. Some of them are coming down, but there are some that just aren't moving their prices at all. But all at the same time, I'm seeing more and more new listings come up for lower and lower prices. So part of this hesitation that buyers are having is they're thinking, well, maybe the prices are going to go lower. Maybe it's going to go lower. Maybe I'm going to miss out on the bottom. Reality is it's very, very challenging to time the bottom, period. So for those of you out there who are thinking about buying, your time has come. And I've been saying that for the last number of months. This is the perfect time to be purchasing. There's so many listings available. And the people that are taking action right now are those who are just kind of just wanting to see what kind of deals they can get. And that's exactly what you should be doing, is you should be putting offers out there and start knocking on doors and seeing who's actually willing to come down on their price even more than they already have. Now, you might end up falling in love with the property and might not get that price that you want, but this is all part of the process. We need you to come off the sidelines to start offering on properties. If you are truly in the market and you're looking for a deal, this is how we get them. Now, with regards to the Minatoya stuff and what's going on, I don't really have any update for you at this point. There's been no new news, no new articles, no new videos, no new anything to share. All the stuff that I shared last month, I've actually included at the bottom of the newsletter. So please feel free to scroll on down. I've hyperlinked everything for you. Everything you want to know regarding the Minatoya Bill is at the bottom of this newsletter. But for now, we're just in a holding pattern. June 18th continues to be the date that we're aiming for, at least that the council has to make a decision. Supposedly, we'll see if it's true Maui style and they continue to kick the ball further down the field and wait for that time to come, and maybe they extend the deadline. We're not really sure. I'm just hoping that a decision is made, period, because waiting in this unknown and this in between just doesn't do anything good for our market. So I would love to have a conversation with you. If you are thinking about buying, or you're thinking about selling, or you're wondering what's happening in the market and how does that affect me, I've actually entered into the 21st century, and I've figured out how to actually put my calendar up so that now you can click on a link below. You can see my calendar in real time, and you can schedule a 30-minute Zoom consultation with me. Now, if you don't want to do that, old school way works. You can text me, email me, but I'm just trying to take a step forward, So anyway, there's a link down below. Feel free to click on that if you want to have a conversation about my real estate goals that I want to strategize with you. And it starts with a conversation. So that's all I have for you for today and for this month. I will talk with you next month. Again, Stephanie Dutcher, your resource for everything related to Maui real estate. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Aloha.